Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat bug. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat bug, you should just go to settings. Then in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will enter to this window of Snapchat. Here, when you'll find this list of app info, you will click first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.